Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. Today I've got another episode of Classic Candy Corner. I found these in my local grocery store. I'm going to give them a try. I don't really remember a lot about this. I think these were kind of the thing you would either get at the drugstore in a little bin down below, or you get them from the ice cream man sometimes. And I don't know why. These are just weird. They're called Face Twisters Sour Slime. And I got 4 different flavors. So you got, this one is a double pack. It is a blueberry and a cherry. And then I got the strawberry and green apple. And they got the little tubes. And it's a gel, I guess, in here. You could knead it, I guess, and then squirt it into your mouth. Check it out, double pack. So you got liquid gel, you got both of them. And I'm gonna get this out of the way. I guess you have to kind of warm it up and squish it a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like you can probably cut it, but I don't know. I'm not real wild about the blue gel, but I kind of remember this. You get weird candies, the coffin ones with the skeleton and the bone. You get the garbage can candy. You get the spray, and then the candy pops and the ones that played music, and then you had the this was like the gel that you squeezed in there. They had like sour ooze or all those different ones like that. Always was fun to try gross, weird candies and odd things. Like I said, the slime, sour spray, the super sour face twisters. And, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the blue one. And let's see what it tastes like. Ew. It really is slime. All right. And I guess the cap, put the cap back on. All right. Oh. Oh. Yep. Very sour. And that's like, oh. It's like liquid Warheads. And I remember this ooze, all right. See if I can coax it out of here. The blue one's not very good. All right. Reminds me of astronaut food. Kind of like that, the fruit roll-ups things. That's what it actually tastes like, but the blue sour one, no. Not real fond of it. Blue raspberry. Yeah. All right. Enough. Playing with your food. Wow, that's really sour. Well, I'm going to try the cherry. If I could get it open. Wow. This one's really sealed. There we go. All right. Just trying these out to see what the flavors is like. I remember these weird things. These were like good stocking stuffers. Put them in stocking for Christmas. All right, here's another one. Wow. Oh. Cherry paste, not good. It's got a strange taste. However, it's not bad. I think these were like about $1 a piece. Back in the day, they used to be $0.25, and you could All right. Oh. Tastes like the fruit roll-ups, but not that great. All right. Strawberry and green apple. I'm just gonna give them a try. Going back, remembering all the old tastes from when I was little, and some of them I remembered why we didn't get them, because they were not good. All right, so here we go. This is the green apple. I can't believe. Look, it does remind you of like those fruit roll-ups. Oh. Oh. It tastes like sour apple, but it's not good. Those are not good. Ugh. Probably why they don't sell. They were off on a shelf somewhere by themselves. I see why. All right, one more. Yeah. Not good. Finally, I'm gonna try the strawberry. See if it's worth anything. All right. Yeah. That one's not as bad. Out of all the 4 flavors, that one was the least obnoxious. It's still pretty sour. Really funky tasting. If you want to have a little bit of fun, look for the sour slime. Give it a try. Go back to your childhood. Have a little bit of memories. I know I got them from the Ice Cream Man. You'd get them at the drugstore along with like the Jolly Ranchers and all that other stuff. These were one of these other gross snacks that kids would love to get, and the parents would just shake their head going, why is the kid eating slime? I guess it's better than eating the real slime that used to come in the little garbage pails, but they would always market strange candy, strange things like that. I don't know why they decided to come up with that. The sprays, the push pops, the musical lollipops. At one point I saw some of the things that did get discontinued because they were not a very good idea. They had to change the names of some of them. The marketing people didn't have a great idea. But actually this was a fun snack. A fun little gross thing for kids, I guess. And then this little Martian dude. Face twisters. They are very sour. So if you could find them, it reminds me a little bit of a like Warhead. Or the sour candy sprays. They got a little bit of lasting effect. But fun for kids. Let them experience the flavor themselves. And yeah. So anyways, there you go, guys. Go ahead and see what you could find in your grocery store. Sometimes they have them tucked away, old classic candies, a lot of different gums, things like that. Just be on the lookout and give them a try. So there you go, guys. Another classic candy for you guys to give a try one time. and bring it right back to your childhood, and also remembering some of the really weird flavored candies that they had. So there you go, guys. A little bit of nostalgia for you, and you could have a little bit of memories and the fun. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So till next time on Drew's Food Reviews, when I'll be trying something classic for you, I'll put these aside and see what else weird things I can find. So until next time, guys, talk to you later.